Hello and welcome back to my channel, GT Racers. You have to excuse for my eye patch, but as I said in my earlier video, the last video I mean, on Wednesday, 3 days ago, I had an eye operation because I managed to damage my eye when I did the sport exhaust, the Ragazon sport exhaust exchange on my Alfa, because I managed to get a piece of burning metal in my eye. I'm so stupid. But never mind that. Today I will make a short video about one repair and one change of badge. The badge is of course my original badge, which I bought from UK. No, I bought this from Alfisti. Oh yes, Alfisti.net. Yeah, very good. But this is an original bonnet badge. I will change that. But first, my door lamp, you know the one, what you call it, the bottom lamp, it just fell out. I knew it was loose and I tightened the screw, I don't know, a month ago. But a couple of days ago I opened the door and this just, whoop, it fell out. Well, it seems like someone has repaired this before, because this is a part that should be in here and it has broken. And I can see it has broken many times because someone has also put tape, electric tape, black tape here. So I would make a quick, I don't want now to order a new one. I will order a new one later on maybe, but let's do a repair of this to glue it back on. So let's start with that. And when it's drying, we go out and change the badge on the bonnet. Let's start. Let us start now. The first thing we do, of course, is we take away the old plastic tape, because we really don't need the excess. But I think that I will put some, I will glue and just for safety have my own black tape too. There we have it. The brake is, it's a bit uneven, but I think we can manage. There is one crack in there, but I think there will be no problem. And of course, it's not like it doesn't need to be very strong, just strong enough, because they have this edge is holding it. And of course, you have a what do you call that? Some sort of leverage that holds it too. Now it will be easy. Yes. And this, we just find the right position and we glue it. And of course, we will use a very Swedish glue. Casco, very old company. A contact glue. It works for everything. Now I managed to find the right position, how it fit when it fits the old brake. Yeah, about there. So let's do this. I hope this glue is not too old. It's not a pretty glue. It doesn't get perfect in the visual. But who gives a damn? We just need to have the glue, and I don't think that any judge of aesthetics will ever look into my lamps and see how they look on the inside. Yes, there we have it. It's nice and in the right position. Maybe we should also do a little bit of black electric tape. I don't think we need it, but just in case. I have a small dog in here, and that is a very crazy dog, so you never know that suddenly he will jump up on the table. And now he will not jump up on the table because it's Chihuahua. They can't fly. But he's a crazy small dog, and I don't know. It's really like having a baby again. I have 4 human kids, and it really feels like I have a 5th human kid again. But he's more crazy than his human siblings. Yeah, well, it was not pretty, but I think we'll manage. like that. And hopefully it will be strong enough. And when we're waiting for this to dry, let's go out and put this on. Yay! So now we are outside. Let's try to do it. As you can see, the old one is in bad shape. We really need to remove this. Let's try and see what happens if we can just pop it out. Oh, it was... that was very strong. I think we need some other tool. Now we have my trusted Swiss Army knife. Why can I never say that? Swiss Army knife. And we take the beer opener / screwdriver. And let's try to be a little bit careful without breaking. It's much easier if I... Let's try and a little bit... And yes, here it comes. I should have some protection, I should say. This is a little bit stupid. Because oh! You hear this? Much easier. You need some metal leverage. And... oh! Voila! Ah, now I see. They have glued it. You see, these rubber stoppers I need to take off from the old one because I need it on the new one. Okay. Just for a fun comparison between the condition of the new one, you see the rim is black. And here it has become a blue something. And it's really faded, and the plastics has loosened the outer, protection plastics. And when I turn them, well, this is of course the rim with the glue underneath, and now I need to remove these plastic ones. All removed. This is just plastic fillings that fill the hole in the bonnet. And then this we just push on. Click and click. Now we're ready. Yes, let's go back. And here of course you see the big holes in the bonnet for the rubber plugs. And let's remove the old glue. I think it should be very easy to remove. Almost easy, I think. Maybe not easy at all, so maybe need some alcohol. True. But if I work them a little bit, I think that I should be able to get it off. I mean, it's good. It's very good, this glue with rubber, because imagine 12 years and it sits. How it's fastened is much better than the condition of the badge, because they deteriorate very fast and gets very ugly. Let's just a second. Clean it a little bit. And like that, I have no alcohol, only water in the sponge and my nails, and it's nice and clean. So let's take off the glue here. No, not the glue, I mean the protection for the glue ring. And sorry, I should always have a third arm. Oh, it's very sticky. And now, can it be as simple as this? And we just take it, put the rubber pigs in the holes, and oh my god, it is done! We have changed the bonnet badge, and it looks, let's take away the cleaning things, and it looks so good now. Look at that. Yeah, we are finished now. Let's go in and see if the glue on the lamp has dried, and we can put it back on. Oh, it has dried now. let's go out and screw it back on again. Now we'll take, of course, the edge in there, and there should hold the barrel in place. And I need to be careful now, because I need to get this in the metal ring. And there we have it. It's glued, replaced, and now it's stuck again. It's a little bit loose. Maybe I dare to screw it fast a little bit harder. Or not. Maybe that will be good enough. I don't dare to screw it too hard. I'm afraid that it will break again. It's good enough. Yes, I'm happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was not very much today, but it was some small clues and advice how to change a badge and do some silly repairs on the lamp. Please watch my other videos and give me a thumbs up or a comment or anything. And if you have some suggestions what I can do, or help me, because I'm very interested in different modifications on Alfa Romeos. I'm trying to learn all I can online, of course, on the Alfa Romeo forums to give me ideas what I can do. But if you have an idea, please send me a comment. Goodbye and see you next week in 2 days. I think it is Monday. Goodbye.